where you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
Hey there, beauties! I am Sinatra D, and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today we are trying out the pretty much viral clean girl makeup look. This look today is inspired by Fatima B, and let me tell you, it is gorgeous. Like, this is dark, and let me tell you guys, I absolutely loved how this turned out. Also, I did my hair. If you guys want to check out how I achieved this, I used extension. You could check out my TikTok or my Instagram. I don't know where I'm gonna post it, but you can definitely check that out. I'll link that down below. If you guys want to figure out how to achieve this same makeup look, then keep on watching. Also, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. You know, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs. That's the type of content I do. So if you like that, then definitely you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, because it does pushes my video in the YouTube analytics.
Alright girlies, so the first thing I did was to prep my brows. My brows wasn't shaved for a bit, so I just had to do a quick line up so that everything can be super easy for me. And I'm at the brow section. I am now going to apply my favorite moisturizer. I recently bought this and I've been loving it. This is from Earth Elements, and I just did that because I already prepped my skin. The next thing I'm gonna do, you're gonna see me applying soap to my brows, and if you guys don't know, this gives you the laminated brow effect. So that is the look that she went for, so that's what I'm doing today. It's actually my first time using soap. I then moisturized my lip, and I'm going in with a mascara to kind of fill in my brows. Next, I took my eyebrow pencil and just outline the shape that I wanted. It's really a simple brow, so you shouldn't do too much. And then we're gonna take this concealer that is a few shades lighter than me. I really should have used a more darker concealer, but it works. It's not so light. I'm now gonna take this flat brush and just clean up everything and try to control it as much as possible, because we don't want it going all over the place. So afterwards, I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just blending that all in. I'm trying to get a smooth blend, and I used a fluffy brush as well to clean up all the raw edges. Now I'm taking my Fit Me foundation and I'm actually just dotting all the areas where I have hyperpigmentation. If it is that you don't have a lot of hyperpigmentation, you don't have to go in with this much foundation. However, I have a lot, so I kind of used a lot more foundation than she did, but still not a full coverage foundation. And I'm just blending that out with my angled flat brush. So now I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm highlighting under the eyes. The best thing to do is to use a concealer that is close to your skin tone, the same thing that you used on your brows. However, this is a little bit, as I said, lighter than my skin tone, so I am using that. I still want a highlighted effect even though I'm going for that clean girl look. And I'm taking my blending brush to blend the edges first, as you can see. And then I kind of go into it. Same thing for the under eyes. This kind of helps you to control your concealer so it's not blended all over your face. Alrighty, so I'm taking my beauty blender next, and I always go in with a beauty blender after using a powder under my eyes. This blends out all the creases, all the lines, and helps so much with allowing your makeup not to look cakey. I then took some powder under the eyes and I used a very light layer because we don't want to look cakey under there either, and we don't want any batchiness, so you want to go in with a light layer first. And then I took a second layer to chisel the nose and also just to set under the eyes because I still want it to look matte and brighter than the rest of the face. So now that that's finished, we're taking an orange shade blush to brush all the places you'd apply blush to, my cheeks, my nose, and I'm taking this flat brush to blend it out. After, this helps with sun-kissed effect. Now I'm taking this shade out of my eyeshadow palette and I contoured with that so that I could look snatched. I'm also taking my brush and I blended it afterwards. I always want to blend it over and over again. I took the same shades that I used on my cheekbones and blended it into my eyes and my nose. I also applied some pink blush to my face. I love pink blush. Afterwards, I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that out like we always do. And I'm gonna apply some lip liner to my lips. This is just a regular drugstore lip liner, which I'm gonna top off with some lip gloss. This is the Aloe Beauty lip gloss that I got from the drugstore, on top of some pink eyeshadow on my lips. I applied a second layer of gloss because you cannot have too much gloss and just kind of finished it off with some lipstick from Avon. This is a pink shade. I don't know which color it is, but yeah, you could use any pink eyeshadow or any pink lipstick. So we're using another Avon product to kind of just blend everything together, set my face and make sure it looks flawless. And then you're gonna apply your favorite set of lashes off camera because that I cannot on camera. So yeah, that's about it and we're finished. That's all. That's it.